Hey, Sylvia here. I am so excited that I have something to unbox. I got the reMarkable2 paper tablet and it's really exciting. I'm very excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I can't wait to try this out. So this is an unboxing video for reMarkable2. I got the following. I got the reMarkable. This is the time when the cat decides to use the cat scratcher. Okay, so got the reMarkable2 and I also got the reMarkable Marker Plus that is specifically for reMarkable2. This is the enhanced one. There is a basic one, but this one also has a built-in eraser. It's designed to deliver paper-like friction and, which is really cool, has no charging or setup needed whatsoever. That looks really nice. It's packaged like a nice pen. You know when you buy a really nice fancy pen? That's how it feels like. Let's do it. Right, so it's very well wrapped, as you can see. It says tear here. But first I have to get this foil off. It's so satisfying. All right, so it's made of cardboard and it says better paper, better thinking. Well, that's what we're trying to achieve by journaling, is better thinking. It's the reMarkable2 paper tablet. On the back it says take notes, read and review documents with unparalleled paper feel. This is the reason why we got this, because it has that paper feel whilst it's digitized. Designed to help you focus. I'm gonna put this focusing thing to the test and let you know how it works out. So, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. Tear here. Okay, so it has a little cute lip that you can pull this right out. Okay, another lip over here. It says welcome. There's a pretty little envelope that says congratulations on your new reMarkable. Thank you. Welcome to the Better Thinking community, a growing movement of people committed to finding focus in a distracted world. Now that you have it in your hands, we hope it's another step towards deeper thinking, learning and being in the moment. The blank page awaits. It's very much like what journaling is about, what I say. It's about deeper thinking, it's about learning and about being in the moment. The reMarkable team. All right, I'm gonna put this back here. So there is the actual reMarkable. It's got the pretty paper on it. I don't want to open it. It's very light. It's very light and it's smaller than A4 but bigger than a notepad in A5. Very light, so you can just carry it around. Very thin, quite like that. And then over here is the charger, which is a USB-C. All right, I'm gonna do this. I'm going to unpack it. So you just slide it out. And there it is. Very sleek. Hold the power button to get started. We designed reMarkable to not get in your brain's way, to help you think. It's It's very sleek. It has this metal side, and on the back on the back has the rubber so that you can't push it left or right, so it sticks to the surface that you're using, which is really cool. So the power button is over here. I'm gonna turn it on in a minute and see what happens. But first, I'm gonna have a look at this pencil. So again, it says tear here. All right, the lip. It just looks like a fancy, oh, very nice, very pretty. It's black, very light, and that's the eraser on the back. And it basically looks like a marker pen. Inside there's also, it says marker tips. Oh, okay. So the marker tips, it says remove used marker tip by sliding it towards the narrow end, replace by bending the card to expose a new marker tip. Interesting. So you have 9 plus 1 on the pencil already, that's 10, which means that after a while you will have to perhaps purchase new ones. I really enjoy the sleek design of the packaging that is made of cardboard. All right, let's power it up. That's unboxing for reMarkable. I will do videos in the future to tell you how it actually went and how it feels to be using this from now on instead of paper notebooks. I am using this specifically for journaling and digitizing my journaling entries, but I will also be using it for other purposes, such as taking my field notes for my PhD, as well as mind mapping and planning, which I like to do a lot of. But for now, this was the unboxing of reMarkable2. Thank you, Sylvia here.